Around one time, keep them off one another.
Factory RC Raceway in York, Pennsylvania. We got the SR10 class up next. A main, here we go, they're underway.
I like it. We're going to go with it.
56 out to the early lead. Number 9 in second place. 56 taking a big lead over the number 9 early. Now the number 9 got a battle from the green Camaro right there. Wow, we got cars flying in front of me. Almost taking me out here. Number 56 still making his way underneath traffic early. Car looking really good. Riding the high side. About mid-track, avoiding wrecks. These SR10s are a handful to drive, a lot of fun, so you can't get too serious in a wreck or anything like that.
All right, we got Zach
56 finding his way through traffic.
Jeff Foster running second. That was awesome.
Your leader in the 56. We got a big pile up down there in 1 and 2.
I never saw a car spin so many times.
56 looking really good, really solid. Whoever set up that car got that thing rolling around here pretty smooth. Running the high side now, caught up in a little bit of traffic. He's going to flip wildly down there and get away real nice and clean though. Wow, hard hit for your leader. SR10 Street Stock class. These are team associated cars right out of the box. A little bit of tweaking to the suspension to make them handle. And right now we got the 56 out in the lead.
Rob definitely made more efforts than anybody out there by far.
The whole field just split right in front of your leader. And their leader's been doing a great job avoiding wrecks. Another wreck in front of me, a hard hit right into the leader, now into the, wow, he's sitting on the infield. I don't know if he's the leader anymore. That's gotta mess up his steering. Maybe not. And the car gets away like a tank. Looks like the green car just leaps through him. That car almost hit me there. We gotta watch out here, down here in the corner. White number 56, maybe the leader, I don't know right now. He's sideways, who's in the lead? He's stuck up against the wall. He's definitely not the leader anymore. I don't know who the leader is right now. Big pile up in front of me right now. Uh-oh, who's leading the way? Well, we did have an idea who was leading the race before, now we got no idea. I'm not sure our scorekeeper, these are all electronically scored, so I'm not sure if the scorekeeper can find out who the leader is. It's happening so fast. Probably waiting for it to all pan out here.
Zach. Jeff Foster out front, Tyler running second.
Jeff Foster, if we know who he is, we got one without a body right now. That ain't gonna be good.
Without a body.
These cars really is a testament to these cars because they can take a beating. If you're a serious racer, well, maybe this ain't for you. Big pile up down here in turn 3 and 4. We don't have much time. I don't know who's leading the race. SR10 class.
Jeff, you're missing all the party over here.
Woo! Got up along the wall there.
Jeff out front. Kermit, Tyler.
Jeff
Zach,
out front, and then Kermit. Well, we know who Kermit is. Kermit's in that number 9.
Hey, we got 11 laps to go.
So the number 9's in second place. We'll follow Kermit. We'll see what happens. There's magical saves going on here. That's the best way to describe that. Cars flipping through the air. Gotta be hard to navigate. Probably too many cars on the track if you wanted a serious race, but a lot of fun in the SR10 class. Kermit Horning, he's in second place. We just had an epic wall ride. Rob Storm's going up and along the wall.
Nice catch. I like that. I wish we could figure 8 race these.
Watching Kermit Horning right now in second place. Wow, we got a whole pile up down here in 3 and 4. One driving backwards, kind of getting a little out of hand now. Rob Storm's driving backwards. Kind of lost seriousness of the race there. That's going to be it. I'm not sure who's won it. Jeff Foster taking the win in that race. Kermit Horning coming home second.
Good shot.